Let's make Asian cucumber salad. This is a cold side dish with thinly sliced cucumbers in a tangy rice vinegar and sesame oil dressing. Start by running the tines of a fork down the length of each cucumber to lightly score the skin. This helps the dressing adhere better. Slice the cucumbers thin, about 1/8 inch thick. Now, place the cucumber in a mixing bowl. Set this aside for now. And start to chop the green onions or scallions. Then mince the garlic. Start by crushing it first before chopping it into smaller pieces. Sprinkle the cucumber with salt and let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step draws out the excess moisture and keeps the salad crisp. Pour the liquid extracted from the cucumbers out of the bowl and pat the cucumbers dry with paper towels. Now it's time to make the dressing. Combine rice vinegar with sugar and stir it well until the sugar dilutes completely. Add the soy sauce and the minced garlic. And give it a quick stir. Pour the dressing over the cucumbers and toss until everything is evenly coated. Add some chili oil or chili garlic paste and add some chopped green onions. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. And finish this by adding sesame oil. Now transfer it to a serving plate and serve cold. Here is your Asian cucumber salad. Check out the complete recipe in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.